students, welcome back to the physics class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic. That one is color code for carbon resistors. What is that? Color code for carbon resistors. Now it is very different concept compared to before concepts. There is no relation. Okay, so we should discuss directly in this topic. So first of all, we know all electronic devices, not all, some electronic devices we know, like fans, okay, that is one electronic device. TV, that is one electronic device. Phone, that also one electronic device. So in all the electronic devices, we can use in this carbon resistors. All the electronic resistors we should use in this carbon resistors. Okay, why we are using in all the electronic devices in this carbon resistors means the cost of this carbon resistors is very less. Cost of this carbon resistors is very less, and size of this carbon resistors also very less. Cost very less, size very less. So in all the electronic devices we should use generally in these carbon resistors. Okay, usually each and every carbon resistor having their own resistance value. Usually each and every carbon resistor having their own resistance value, but we can't able to find the resistance value of that carbon resistors directly. So remember, each and every carbon resistor having their own resistance value, but we can't able to find directly that resistance value. So we can use one method here. By the use of that method, we can easily find that resistance value of that carbon resistors. We can easily find. What is that method name is color rings. What is that? Color rings. By the use of this method, by the use of this color rings method, we can easily find the resistance value of the carbon resistors. Okay. Usually the structure of any carbon resistor is like this. Usually the structure of any carbon resistor is like this. This is the carbon resistor, simple carbon resistor. Okay, this carbon resistor having some value. This carbon resistor having some resistance value. We need to find that resistance value. This is the general structure of the carbon resistor. I need to find the resistance value of this carbon resistor. So how I should find? I told you already, by the use of this color rings method, I can able to find this resistance value of this carbon resistor. Okay, what is the color rings method means? Listen carefully. Each and every carbon resistor having 4 colors. Each and every carbon resistors having 4 colored rings. Actually not 4 colors, 4 colored rings. By the use of that colored rings, we can easily find the resistance value of the carbon resistors. So here this is the carbon resistor how many rings are having? See, this is the first ring, this one is the second ring, this one is the third ring, and this one is the fourth ring. Listen carefully. Each and every carbon resistor having 4 colored rings. Okay, this one is the first ring, second ring, third ring, and fourth ring. And these first 3 rings are must and shouldly having each and every capacitor. These first 3 rings having each and every capacitor must and shouldly, but this fourth ring is optional, whether it will be there or not. Whether some resistors having that fourth ring and some resistors it's not having that fourth ring. Okay, so but first 3 rings are must and shouldly, each and every capacitor having that. That fourth ring is the optional ring. Okay, so I will tell you some points here, you can remember that. So here I will tell you some points about this carbon resistor, you can remember that. I will tell you some points about this carbon resistor and color rings, you can remember that points. Okay, now first point is the first and second color rings of this carbon resistor will indicate the significant figures. So this first ring and this second ring, first ring and second ring will indicate the significant figures. Significant figures. This first ring and this second ring will indicate as a significant figures. Okay, we know already significant figures is nothing but a numbers. Significant figures is nothing but a number. Okay, I hope you know already. Now, this third ring will indicate as a decimal multiplier. This third ring will indicate as a decimal multiplier. Decimal multiplier. Okay, and this fourth ring will indicate as a tolerance. Fourth ring will indicate as tolerance. So finally, what I told here, first and second rings will indicate as the significant figures. Significant figures is nothing but a numbers. And this third ring will be indicated as a decimal multiplier. And this fourth ring will be indicated as a tolerance. I told you already this fourth ring is the optional ring, whether it will be there or not. Some resistors having that, some resistors not having that fourth ring. Okay, but it will indicate as a tolerance. You can remember this concept is finished. Okay, first and second significant figures, third ring decimal multiplier, fourth ring tolerance. Now I will give one table to you. You know that values of the tabular form, you can find any carbon resistor resistance value. Okay. Now this is the tabular form. This is the tabular form. You can remember this tabular form. You can easily find the resistance of any carbon resistor. Now we should see what is there in this tabular form. Now first one, serial number. After that, color. All the colors will be given here, like black, brown, red, orange, yellow, like that. All the colors he mentioned in the tabular form, and this each and every color having he given one number. Okay, like black number is 0, brown number is 1, red number is 2, orange number is 3, like that. He gave each color having one number. Here number is nothing but a significant figure. Okay, number is nothing but what? Significant figures. I told you already, remember. Then this, suppose this black color number is 0, multiplier is 1. Okay, next brown color is brown, number is 1, multiplier is 10 power 1. Red, number is 2, multiplier is 10 power 2. Next one, orange, number is 3, multiplier is 10 cube. Okay, so like this, each and every color having one number, one multiplier, and this all the colors is not having tolerance. All the colors, it's suppose this all the colors it's not having tolerance. Only 3 only having that tolerance value. What is that? Gold tolerance is 5%, silver tolerance is 10%, colorless tolerance is 20%. You can remember each and every color having one number and one multiplier and tolerance. All the colors is not having tolerance. Only 3 only having that tolerance. What is that? Gold tolerance is 5%, silver tolerance is 10%, colorless tolerance is 20%. You can remember this tabular form as it easily. You can able to find any carbon resistor value. How I will tell you? I will give you one example. Okay, we should find any one carbon resistor value. See, I am taking here one carbon resistor. I am taking one carbon resistor here. This is the carbon resistor. I told you already, each and every carbon resistor having 4 rings. So here, this is the first colored ring, this is the second colored ring, and this is the third colored ring, this is the fourth colored ring. Okay, first colored ring, second colored ring, third colored ring, and fourth colored ring. This resistor having 4 colored rings. I am going to find that resistance value. Okay, colored ring is nothing but that each ring having each different colors. Suppose this color is red, this one is red. Okay, now this ring color is blue. Okay, black. This ring color is black, and this ring, third ring color is blue. Okay, and this fourth ring is silver. Remember this. Like this, he will give, in the examination point of view, he will give the conductor. This is the conductor. First ring here, red color he will give. Black, second ring is black color he will give. Third, blue color he will give. That means this is the red colored ring. Totally it is in red color. Red colored ring. Like this. This total is red. And this is total black color ring. This total is black color. This total is a black colored ring. And third one is the total is blue color ring. Yes, like this he will give in the examination point of view. Okay, now I am going to find the carbon resistor resistance value. Okay, I told you already, first ring and second ring will indicate as a significant figures. Significant figure is nothing but a number. I told you already, first ring and second ring will indicate as a significant numbers, significant figures. Significant figure is nothing but a number. So just you can write here red. First, this is the first ring, red. It will indicate what? Significant figure. Significant figure is nothing but a number. So red, what is the number here? In the tabular form, red is here. What is the number? Opposite, 2. So you can write here 2. Next one. Second ring also will indicate as a significant figure. Significant figure is nothing but a number. So here black again. Where is the black? First one. So here black opposite number 0. So you can write 0. Okay. I told you this third ring will indicate as a decimal multiplier. Decimal multiplier. So third ring, which color? Blue. So blue, where is here? Blue is here. Third ring will indicate as a decimal multiplier. So blue opposite color. What here? 10 power 6. Blue opposite color what? 10 power 6. So decimal multiplier no into 10 power 6. Instead of that blue color, I wrote 10 power 6. Okay. Now, fourth ring I told you what it will indicate? Tolerance. So what is the fourth color? Silver. Silver tolerance how much? 10%. So here you can keep plus or minus symbol. 10%. This is the resistance of this carbon resistor. Okay, this is the value of resistance value of this carbon resistor. I hope you understood. He will give that any color, any resistor in the examination point of view, he will give like this. You can remember this tabular form means it will be finished. That means you know already first and second rings will indicate as the significant figures, third is a multiplier and fourth is the tolerance. Okay, just I will give you one more example. So I will give you one more example for you how to find the resistance value of any carbon resistor. Okay, so this is the another carbon resistor, and this carbon resistor also having color rings. Okay, but this carbon resistor having only 3 color rings. I told you already, each and every carbon resistor having 4 carbon rings, and some resistors having 3 color rings. Fourth color ring is optional. Okay, see here, this first color ring color is the green, this second ring color is blue, and third ring color is grey. Fourth ring is not given here. Okay, he didn't give fourth ring because that is optional. Okay, so now I am going to find the resistance value of this resistor by the use of our tabular form. Okay, we know already what we know. This first ring and second ring will be indicated as the significant figures, and third ring will be indicated as the, what is that? Multiplier. Fourth ring will be indicated as the tolerance. Correct. Okay. Now I should going to find this resistance of this carbon resistor. So what is the first color ring? Color green. So this first ring will be indicated as the significant figure. Significant figure is nothing but a number. So this is the green. Where is the green here? This is where is the green? This is the green. So in green opposite, what is the number here? 5. So 5. Next, blue. This is the second ring color. Second ring also will indicate as the significant figure. Significant figure is nothing but a number. So again, blue. Where is the blue? 7th. So blue is opposite of the blue color. What is the number? 6. So 5, 6. And third ring will be indicate. What the third ring will be indicate? Multiplier. Correct. So into, what is the color? Grey color. Grey color. Where here? This is the grey color. Grey color multiplier where? This one. 10 power 8. So 10 power 8. What about the fourth ring? He doesn't give fourth ring here. Correct? He doesn't give fourth ring here. Whenever he doesn't give the fourth ring, whenever the carbon resistor is not having the fourth ring, you should take that is the colorless. That ring is the colorless. Okay, so here fourth ring, usually fourth ring will be indicate what? Tolerance. Correct. So here colorless, what is the tolerance? 20%. Usually tolerance in the fourth ring silver means 10%. Fourth ring gold means 5%. Okay, fourth ring no color is there. Actually fourth ring is not given here. So in that cases what we should take? Colorless. How much tolerance of the colorless? 20%. So plus or minus 20%. This is the resistance of this carbon resistor. Okay, remember this. That fourth ring will be indicated as the tolerance. Fourth ring is not there means what you should take? Colorless. What is the colorless tolerance value? 20%. Okay, and usually that fourth ring having only either silver or gold or colorless. Usually that any carbon resistor, fourth ring will be either silver or carbon or colorless. Colorless means no fourth ring will be having that conductors. Okay, so tolerance gold, that fourth ring gold means tolerance 5%, fourth ring silver means tolerance 10%, fourth ring is not there means that is the colorless, that is tolerance value is 20%. So in any conductor, any carbon resistor, you can find like this the resistance value of any carbon resistor by the use of this table. Okay, I hope you understood the class. You have any doubt means after watching the video please ask. Thank you.